I have completed BSc Computer Science with 64 percentage. Currently, I am uh, working on working as a data entry specialist in Shopify.
Okay. Um, can you tell me more about your hobbies, Pankaj? I'm first
Uh,
not going to do anything about the technical part. Let me see how you are as a person. Okay? Yeah.
uh, Playing cricket,
Okay.
uh, cricket.
That's it. Okay. Who's your favorite player?
Virat Kohli.
Okay. Which two countries do you find the match interesting? Typically, India and Pakistan is the answer for Indians, but I'm expecting some other answer from you.
Australia and England.
Okay, Australia and England. Okay, good, good. So nice to know that other than your field, you are interested in cricket. Okay. Second thing, Pankaj, basically, have you done a SWOT analysis anytime of yourself? And do you know what is SWOT?
What name?
Have you done your SWOT analysis? SWOT. What is SWOT? S stands for your strengths. What are your strengths? W stands for your weaknesses. O stands for your opportunities. And T stands for your threats. That means, have you any time analyzed yourself? What are my strengths? What are my weaknesses? What are the opportunities that are coming my way? And what are the threats that I meet? Like, for example, many times when you face an interview, that becomes like a threat. Oh, I have to give an interview. Correct, na? So, whenever we go for an interview, we always conduct a SWOT analysis of ourselves. So, have you any time conducted such SWOT analysis? Okay.
Uh,
Strengths. What are your
uh,
strengths?
my strength is
Are you hardworking?
yes, I am hardworking.
Are you punctual?
Yes,
Are you always available when work is there?
yes, ma'am.
Or okay, because that means you are able to grab the opportunity. Means work is there, but if you are not available, though you are skilled, what is the use, na? Skill and will should go hand in hand. Skill is there, but I am available also. That means I have the will to work. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Quoted a few examples: hardworking, punctual, will to work. From your side, now you tell me two more things about yourself.
Strength, ma'am.
Yeah. Strength. You tell me your strength. Ki why should I hire you?
I am dedicated in work.
Okay, good. Think, think. I'm going to give you time. Think, but I want the answer. One point is done. One more I want. Okay, time up. No worries. But you are going to do this, okay?
Yes,
Right
ma'am.
up. See, the more you know about yourself, the more it is going to be easy about you. If you are not going to know about yourself, what is the use for me as a company to hire you? Right now?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, coming to the second point, your weaknesses. Where you find yourself that you are lacking. What are your weaknesses?
Uh, my weaknesses is English language, very pure.
Oh, okay. Yes. And the English language. Fine. Next. What else? Do you know time management? Do you know time management? How to utilize your time in the best possible manner? Do you know that?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so that's not your weakness. Okay. How much is your screen time on a daily basis?
8 hours.
No, other than your work. Other than your work.
No, ma'am.
This is also a good point. Okay. Try to do little bit of research on your weaknesses also as well as your strengths also. Okay. So that it will be easy for you to work upon these weaknesses in future. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Now let's go to the O part. Whenever any opportunity comes, okay, do you grab it? Many opportunities come on a daily basis in our life. Okay, how do you tackle the opportunity?
Sorry, ma'am.
Opportunities come our way on a daily basis. You know what is an opportunity? मराठीत काय म्हणणार opportunityला?
संधी.
संधी. जेव्हा तुला एखादी संधी भेटते, सॉरी आय एम इंटरव्हिनिंग अँड स्पीकिंग इन मराठी सो दॅट यू गेट अ लिटल बेटर अंडरस्टँडिंग. ओके, सो वेन एव्हर सम अपॉर्च्युनिटी कम्स, हाऊ डू यू टॅकल इट? See, because now my company is going to hire you. Okay. So now this, suppose you are getting this opportunity to be hired. So how you are going to grab this opportunity? तर ती तू संधी तू कशी मिळवणार आहेस? ठीक आहे. Think over it. Okay. Think over it. If this opportunity comes my way, what are the areas where I need to work upon? कुठल्या गोष्टी आहेत की मला ही ऑपॉर्च्युनिटी घालवायची नाहीये? ओके, ही संधी मला घालवायची नाहीये, तर त्याच्यासाठी मी काय करणार आहे? ओके. नेक्स्ट, थ्रेट्स. what are your fears? See, one is weakness. Weakness, you said, my command over the English language. Okay, but you will overcome it. If you take efforts, you will overcome it. But what are the threats that you face? भीती कशाबद्दल वाटते?
English language.
Okay, again English language. Okay. Anything else other than English language, Pankaj? Anything else? Suppose now if an interview is taken in Marathi, will you be comfortable in speaking your heart? For example, I'm just asking. Now what you said is language, okay? And English. No, all interviews are always going to be conducted in English. But suppose if I remove this English part, how will you approach? You will be perfect with Marathi language?
Yes.
Okay. Other than the language part, do you have any other fears in your mind? Okay, no worries. See, today was the first round, so nothing much about it. But you are going to work upon these points which I have told you. SWOT analysis. Know about your strengths. Know about your weaknesses. Know about the opportunities and know about your threats. Okay? Make a detailed study about yourself. Because the firm which is going to hire you, if you are not aware about yourself, how I am going to hire you. Think from that point. Correct, na? Okay. So we will end our interview today. This was just a first round and a very casual one. Okay. I didn't take it in a very formal way. Okay. I just want you to be relaxed. That is the intention. Because if you are relaxed, then only you will be able to answer my questions. Okay. So just this is a training. ओके अँड अ व्हेरी इनफॉर्मल वे ओके मी काय अजून खूप फॉर्मल वे मध्ये काहीच घेतलेलं नाहीये पंकज ओके आजचा इंटरव्ह्यूचा इंटेन्शन हाच होता की तू रिलॅक्स फील करावं म्हणून बघ मी मराठीत थोडं थोडं का बोलतेय की तुला रिलॅक्स करायला पाहिजे तुला टेन्शन देण्याचा हा उद्देशच नाहीये आपल्याला तुला वाढवायची तुझी बरोबर तर आज जे आपण मुद्दे डिस्कस केले आहेत हेच फक्त इतकंच आहे की मी नेक्स्ट इंटरव्ह्यू मध्ये तुझा पूर्ण इंग्लिशमध्येच घेणार आहे तू थोडंसं आपल्याला प्रिपेअर करून ये परत काही नवीन विचारणार नाहीये पण मला तेव्हा एक नवीन पंकज दिसला पाहिजे की ज्यांनी ना ह्याच्या प्रश्नांवरती पॉन्डर केलंय म्हणजे त्याच्यावरती विचार केला आहे आणि मग परत दुसरा राऊंड हाच घेणार आपण आणि तू एकदम मला फॉर्मल वे मध्ये घेणार आहे तेव्हा तुम्हाला एकदम असं मी तुला द्यायला पाहिजे येस पंकज थम्स अप Okay?
Yes,
fine. And giving you the deadline. Next Monday will be your interview. So you have got ample time. Okay? Okay. Yes, Pankaj, that's it. Okay. Good day ahead. Yeah. Bye.